In this tutorial, you will learn how to enable the word wrap feature in Notepad. Word wrapping helps to keep the full line of text in view after resizing the width of the window. Let's see an example with the word wrap feature disabled. Click on Search and type Notepad. Select the Notepad app to open. I have some pre-typed sentences I will paste in my open window. To see the full sentence, I have to scroll all the way to the right. Maximizing the window does not help, and this can be challenging when editing your text document. Let's enable word wrap. Click on View, select word wrap. Now all of my text will adjust to the width of my window. Expand the window. See? No scroll bar is needed. Adjust your window to any size, and the text will always adjust accordingly. Now let's type something. Notice how the text goes to the next line? Let's close and reopen Notepad. It will reopen with your last settings of word wrap enabled. Let's type some text. Adjust the window's width and type some more to see how it automatically goes to the next line. Thank you for watching this Techie Run video on enabling word wrap in Notepad.